Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to create an EBS volume and connect it to an EC2 instance on AWS. Okay, so it is a very useful when you want to additional storage means you can attach to your virtual machine. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first step is login into an AWS console. So first open your browser and log into your AWS management console. Okay, so once you are in, go to the EC2 dashboard page. Okay, here is EC2. So once on EC2 dashboard page, just on the left side you will see an options called Elastic Block Store. Okay, so that's where we will find EBS option. Okay, so and step 2 is create an EBS volume. So just click on volumes under the Elastic Block Store section. Okay, so here you will see a list of our exceeding volumes. Okay, so now we are going to create a new one. So just click create new volume. Okay, so once you click it, you can choose the volume type. So I'll go with the general purpose SSD itself. So and also next is because it is fast and good for the most use cases. Okay, so the next is select the size of your volume. Okay, so let's say 10 GB. Okay, for this demo, and after that just leave it as a default, others options. Okay, so and for the availability zones, make sure you pick the same availability zones where your EC2 instance is running. Okay, so this is a really important, otherwise we won't able to attach the volume later. Okay, so just my EC2 instance in this availability zones. Okay, so not 1A, so 1B is my availability zones. Okay, so after that leave it others options, leave it as a default. Okay, so once everything done, just click create volume. Okay, so the step 2 is over. So once I refresh it, you can see it. Okay, so this is your volume. Okay, so this is available now. Okay, so the step 3 is attach the EBS volume to EC2 instance. Okay, just click your volume and go to the action button. So then choose the attach volume. Okay, so here is it will ask for the instance. Okay, so which instance you are going to attach the volume. Okay, so just click it. So this is my instance, so it's currently running. Okay, so demo instance. Okay, this is my virtual server. So select your EC2 instance from this list. Okay, so once it's done, for the device name. Okay, so it usually autofills something like /dev or some other's name. So if it's not default list means you just click it /dev. So I just click this device name and click attach volume. Okay, so after that the step 4 is we are going to connect EC2 instance. Okay, so now attach the EBS volume to the EC2 instance. Now we are going to connect the EC2 instance. Okay, so once the volume is attached, we need to connect to our EC2 instance. Okay, so just open your terminal. First you will go to your EC2 instance. Okay, just click instance and you can see the running instance. Okay, so this is my instance. So I just click. So just going to connect your terminal. Okay, so just open your terminal, just click again. Okay, so open your terminal and your EC2 instance like this only. Okay, just will wait few minutes. Okay, so the step 5 is now prepare the volume. Okay, so let's check if the volume is detected by a OS. Okay, so there is a one command. So just run this command lsblk. So this is list block device. Okay, so which is we created. Okay, so see, here is the another hard disk, so which is we created SDF. So after that it's reflect like this XVDF. Okay, so now you will see your the exiting hard disk is here and new one is here. Okay, so probably name like this XDVDF. Okay, so next we need to do create a file system on this volume. Okay, so there is a one command, just give this command sudo so mkfs. So we are going to make a file system. Okay, so that is the command mkfs. So make file system, so -t, which type of your file system should be here. Okay, so ext4. So this is my file system type, and after that we need to give the device name, so /dev, and what is the device name, block device name, xvdf. Okay, so once I'll give this command, just enter it. Okay, so now create a directory where we will mount it. Okay, so I'm going to create a directory, sudo mkdir, so make directory. Okay, so after that I'm going to mount in the directory. Okay, so mount, and my directory name is my data. Okay, so my data. Okay, so finally we are going to mount the volume. Okay, so that's the command is sudo mount, so /dev, and our device name xvdf. Okay, so space, and we are going to mount it, that directory. Okay, my data. Okay, so once you enter this run this command, so let's confirm it's mounted by running. Okay, so there is a one command df and -h. So now we can able to see it. See, so we are going to actually we done this device. Okay, so /dev and /xdf, and this is we are done by mount directory. Okay, so /mount and our directory which is we created, right? So it's mounted, so you should see /dev and /xdf, right? So mounted at /mount and /mydata. Okay, so and additional last step, so this is the step 6. So make the mount permanent means it's the optional one. Okay, so if you want the volume to be mount automatically after the reboot means just you can edit the /etcfs tab file. Okay, so there is a one file, so /bi /etc and fs tab. Okay, so just okay, so this is the file, so add one line at the end of this file. Okay, just I'm going to add one line. Okay, so just give enter, and what is that line means /dev, our device name. Okay, so xvdf and space mount space my data, my directory name. Okay, so a directory name, and after that our file system type, so ext4 is our file system type, right? And after that defaults. Okay, so defaults and no fields. Okay, so no fail. Okay, so 0 and space 2. Okay, so once enter it, you just save this file. Okay, so that way next time you reboot the EC2 instance, that EBS volume will be mounted automatically. Okay, so that's why I'll add one line this particular file. Okay, so now you know how to create an EBS volume and attach it to your EC2 instance and format and mounted it for the use. Okay, right? So and this is a very useful when your EC2 instance root volume is not enough means, and you just need an extra storage of your application or data, right? So That's it. So that is the process. Okay, so if you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more AWS tutorials. Okay, so thanks for watching.